Welcome to our channel. My name is Waqar Ali, and today we will explore the incredible capabilities of Fusion 360, a premier software for 3D modeling and design. Whether you are new to this or seeking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will walk you through crafting a basic shape from the ground up. So prepare your computer, launch Fusion 360, and let's embark on this creative journey together.
First, create a new design by going to File, select New Design. Create one cylinder on the front plane. Select the center of the cylinder and the diameter of the cylinder will be 10 cm. Press enter. Specify the height of the cylinder as 5 cm. Press enter. Create a new sketch. Select the front plane. Draw two lines. First one is a horizontal line and second one is a vertical line. Press OK. Now select these two lines and make them construction. Draw one circle, center diameter circle on this line, 2.5 diameter. Press enter. Draw another circle with the same center of diameter 5 cm. Press enter. Select these two circles and make the relation between them as tangent. Now pattern these two circles with respect to this center. So go to Sketch, select Circular Pattern, select these two circles and as the center point, select this point. Type angle. Number of quantities 3. Now drag this line in this way up to an angle of minus 180 degree. Press enter. Now draw some lines. So go to line. First one is here to here. Second one here to here. Third one here to here. Press OK. Now drag this line up to this circle. Now select this line and this circle. Make the relation between them as tangent. Repeat the same thing for these two and make the relation between them tangent. See, these two lines are already in tangent with this circle, so no need to make them tangent. Now go to mirror. As the mirror line, select this line and for the object, select this line. Press OK. Now draw one rectangle. So go to rectangle, select 2-point rectangle. Draw this rectangle on this line of dimension 8.5 by 1.5. Press enter. Now go to sketch dimension. Select this line and this center and specify the distance between them as 1.25 centimeter. Now stop sketch. Go to create, select the option extrude. Extrude this whole profile except these three small circles up to a distance of 1 centimeter. Operation join, press OK. Go to modify, select the option fillet. Fillet these two edges up to 1 centimeter. Press OK. Now turn on the visibility of previous sketch by going here and turn on. Go to extrude. Select this profile. Start, type, select offset plane. Offset distance 1 centimeter. And the extent will be distance and the distance 3 centimeter. So The profile will be extruded at a distance of 1 centimeter from this profile up to 3 centimeter. Operation type, new body. Press OK. Now turn off the visibility of previous sketch. Now go to modify. Select the option fillet. Fillet these two edges up to 1.5 centimeter. Press enter. Now create one cylinder on this surface. So go to create. Select the option cylinder. Select this face and select the center of this arc as the center of the cylinder, and the diameter of the cylinder will be 3. Press enter. Now specify the height of the cylinder as 0.5 cm and operation type join. Press OK. Now create one hole on this surface. So go to create, select hole. Select this surface and for the reference select this circle. So the hole will be created on the center of this circle. Now specify the diameter of the hole as 1.5 centimeter. Press OK. Do one thing, double click on the hole and make the type of extend as all. So the hole will remove all the portion that coming in its way. Press OK. Now mirror this body. So go to create and select the option mirror. Pattern type, select bodies, and for the objects select this body. For the mirror plane select this plane. Press OK. Now combine all those bodies. So go to modify, select the option combine. Target body as this body, and for the tool bodies select these two bodies. Operation join. Now create a hole on this surface. So go to create and select the option hole. Select this surface and for the reference select this circle. Specify the hole diameter as 6 cm and the extent as all. Press OK. Here is my figure ready. Now assign some colors to it. So go to appearance by pressing A. Go to paint, metallic, and apply this blue color. Make some adjustments. Done. Press escape. Now here is my design ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. This will help a lot. And don't forget to share and subscribe to Mad About Designs for new tutorials on Autodesk Fusion 360. See you in the next video. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.